Dear all, in this video lecture, I am going to discuss about how to write a C program to calculate median. This is the example program for one-dimensional array. So before writing of C program, we have to know about the logic involved in the calculation of median. Consider I have given collection of numbers. The total number count is n. If n is odd number, then we can consider the middle number as a median value. If the n is even number, then we have to consider the two middle numbers and then find out the average of those numbers. That particular average value will be called as a median value for the corresponding numbers. Consider this is what the example I have given: 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So these are all the elements I have given. These are all the numbers. The total count is 5. It is odd value. So we have to take the middle number as a median value. So here middle element will be 6. So 6 is the median result for this particular numbers. So normally this particular number can be fetched in array with the help of index value. With the help of index value, you can able to fetch this element. Okay, so the total count is 5. The index value will be started from 0 to 4. So the element index value will be 2. With the help of 2 index value, you can able to fetch this particular element. So this is about in the case of odd value. Consider if I have given the even number of values like 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. So in this case, I have to take two middle elements and then find out the average of those elements. That particular average will be the median result for the corresponding numbers. So this is what the concepts involved in the calculation of median value. Next we will write the C program. In the very first statement, we have to include the preprocessor directives, that is what header files. Those header files will be required for this particular program. And then we have to start the main function. Inside that it has two parts like a declarative part and executable part. Okay, so in before clear screen function, you have to declare all the variables which are required for this particular program. So like I, n, a of 50. This is what array variable I have declared because I am going to read a collection of numbers. So I have declared the array variable here. And then n, it denotes that how many number. I, it will be required for loop counter variable. Okay, so these are all the variables will be used in executable part. So I have declared those things in declarative part. So after that, after clear screen function, we have to display the title of the program. This is what others understanding purpose. A third party can understand what we have done. So program to calculate median. I have given this particular statement in printf statement. So this message will be displayed on the screen. Next thing, enter how many numbers. So I am reading the n value with the help of scanf statement. So scanf %d ampersand n. So after that, I am reading the numbers one by one with the help of looping statements. Like for I equal to 0, I is less than n, I plus plus. Inside that I have given ampersand a of I. So it will read one by one number. Suppose if I have given the n value as 5 in the sense, so automatically the value will be started from a of 0 to a of 4. Okay, so after that I am displaying those values one by one with the help of printf statement. I am displaying the entered numbers. Like entered numbers are as follows. For I equal to 0, I is less than n, I plus plus, %d, new line character, a of I. So I am displaying the entered numbers one by one. Okay, so after that I am going to calculate the median value for the given numbers. So this is what the conditional statements I have given. If n modulus 2 is not equal to 0, it means that you have entered the number as odd number. If n modulus 2 is not equal to 0, so this particular condition will be true if n is odd number. Okay, so in that case, you have to find out the median value like a of n by 2. N is a total number divided by 2. It will provide the median middle element. So a of, suppose consider I have given n value as 5. So 5 modulus 2 is not equal to 0. Condition true actually. 5 modulus 2 which will produce the result as 1. So 1 modulus 1 is not equal to 0. condition true, so automatically it will find out the median value like a of n divided by 2. N value is 5. 5 divided by 2, which will produce the result as 2. So a of 2. So index value will be 2. That particular element will be fetched and then that will be displayed on the screen. The median value is percentage %d. A of n by 2. Else, it means the n is even number. So in that case, we have to find out the middle 2 element. So that element will be calculated with the help of this particular thing. A of n divided by 2 plus a of n divided by 2 minus 1. Those two middle elements will be added together and then we are finding the average of those numbers divided by 2. So which will produce the median value for the corresponding numbers if n is even number. So this is what the program, this is the way to calculate the median value. Okay, so next we have to save this particular file. So after saving the file, you have to compile this program. After compiling, you have to run the program. In that case, it displays the output like this. A program to calculate median. Enter how many numbers? I have entered 5. So I have to enter 5 numbers one by one, like 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So enter numbers are as follows. So this is what the number I have entered. After that, it displays the median value is 6 because if the number value is 5, that is what odd number. So middle element will be fetched and that will be displayed on the screen. That is the median value for the given numbers. So median value is 6. So this is the way to write a C program to calculate median value. Thank you all.